Welcome to the project demonstration of construction of prepaid energy meter by using RFID. So the main application of this project is we are developing a prepaid energy meter which will works based on the RFID tag. So here the every energy meter consists of RFID reader. So when we want to recharge the units to this energy meter, then we need to show the tag. Before that we need to select the how much of money we need to recharge. So this will be done by the department persons and the selection of the rupees and the RFID tag. So this is totally authenticated. Only the respected authenticated persons can recharge the units into our energy meter. And once the energy meter recharged, the system will on the power supply to the house. So here we are representing this bulb with house appliances, and that will be done through this electromagnetic relay, so which will acting as a switch here, which will allow the power supply to this house. And whenever the balance is below 3 rupees, then system will provide us the audible alert through the buzzer, and so-called status continuously displayed on the LCD screen. And next, when we want to measure the units of power consumption, that will be done with help of this PC817 optocoupler IC. So this IC we are using here, which will continuously getting the pulses from the energy meter LED. As you know that every energy meter has one LED which will show the power consumption status. When the LED blinks very fast, that is indication of high load was connected. So that load blinking rate will be converted into the KWH reading with help of this PC817 optocoupler, which is optically coupled between the energy meter input to the microcontroller. So these are the main input, output and flow is we are providing 230 volts AC inputs to the system, so which will take 230 volts AC inputs, and that is parallelly connected to the energy meter and to this regulated power supply board, which will take 230 volts AC inputs and provide us 5 volts DC output. So it has the stages like transformation, rectification, filtration and regulation. Transformation will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts of AC, rectifier to convert that 12 volts AC to pulsating DC, and filters, the capacitors will convert that pulsating DC to pure DC of 12 volts, and regulator will regulate the 12 volts pure DC to 5 volts DC, as that is the operating voltage to our whole electronic systems. So once we provide the 5 volts power supply to the microcontroller, so it will start reading input from the initially from the RFID reader, that is EM18, which was interfaced to the pin number B0, and based on that, after reading successfully, then it will check with the switches status. So how much of money means how much of money of units you need to recharge that. So that will be done from the switches. After that, if it is above 0, then system will these switches are interfaced to the microcontroller at pin number C0, C1, C2 pins, and based on that it will control the relay output, which was connected pin number C7, and continuously status monitoring along with the balance of money and KWH readings on the LCD. It's interfaced to the pin number B2 to B7. Based on the low balance alert, it will provide the audible alert through the buzzer, which was interfaced with the pin number C4, and continuously energy consumption KWH blinking will be captured from this PC817 optocoupler from A4 pin. So these are the input output connections along with the power flow. So let us check the demonstration. So on the 230 volts AC input to this, after welcome message displayed on the LCD, the system asks you to show the RFID tag. So before show the RFID tag, so place around 10 rupees and show the RFID tag. So now the 10 rupees got recharged, and as it is above 0 rupees, then the system will on the power supply to the load. So based on the load we have connected, so we can connect around 300 watts also. Based on the load connection, this balance will reduce drastically. When we connected we placed 100 watts of bulb, so it will take around 10 seconds maximum duration to be reduce the balance by 1 rupee by 1 rupee. So when it is 3 rupees below, then so it will provide as the audible alert as a low balance indication. Right, now check it is. So once the balance comes down to 3 rupees below, then audible alert as a low balance alert. So when it is near to 0, so equal to 0, then automatically the power supply will be disconnected to the house as indication of low balance. Right, and again next same in order to recharge that, then the same process is with the help of RFID tag and by selecting the switches. Right, low balance, the load status is off. There is a message alert on the LCD. Now just again restart this. So after showing on LCD, show the tag, just hold this button. Now 20 rupees I'm going to recharge. So the 20 rupees got recharged. Same for third button is for 30 rupees. So this is the keep on execution process to recharge as well as load consumption monitoring along with the units and the balance display with audible alerts. Thank you.